Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to unfriend someone on Roblox application. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, if you don't have the Roblox application on your PC, you'll need to go and download it through any browser you could be possibly using. So of course, once you open your browser, just go and type roblox.com and hit the enter button. Then you would like to go and log in into your account, and if you don't have an account you'll need to create one. Make sure you are plus 13 to create your account. Of course, it's simple to create your account on Roblox. And of course, I advise you so hard to verify your email once you log in or you created your account. Why is that? Because it will actually give you the opportunity to reset your password if you get hacked or if you forgot your password, and even you will get a free item. Who doesn't love a free item, right? Anyway, so once you actually click at the download link and download it into your PC, you'll need to install it and run it. And once you do that, you will need again to log in from your PC again, and you will be here, which is going to be your home or your main screen. Of course, it will be like this. Hear me for me. And of course you will have maybe different games depending on what you recently played or what Roblox suggesting to you. So of course, as we said in the beginning of the video, how to unfriend someone. So simply, first of all, you'll need to have friends. If you don't have friends, you'll need to go and click add friends option, and of course you will click at the search and type the name add friends. If you have friend, if you want to unfriend them, for me as an example, this is my friend. Simply I'll need just to click on him once, then click at view profile. So once I did that, I will find here an option at the left of his name called unfriend. So just simply click at this option and click at confirm, and you'll be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.